Financial incentives are being used to boost the number of foster carers across Queensland, with the government announcing it will help subsidise childcare costs. It's pledged $15 million to entice new carers, but the opposition says the money should go to frontline services.
There are 9,000 children needing care in Queensland and just more than half that number of carers.
And unfortunately, we are seeing more young children having to come into care because of the drug dependency that some parents are under.
Dealing with domestic and family violence, drug and alcohol abuse means that there are children out there at risk who have to come into out-of-home care.
Foster carers will soon be eligible for up to $2,000 a year to help cover childcare and kindergarten costs.
As we know, most families have got to work. There is no choice in society today. We've got to make our dough.
Foster groups hope it will retain current carers and encourage more working families on board.
It's going to do quite amazing things, we believe, for recruitment of foster carers throughout the state. It will make life easier on people, and that's what we want to do.
In the past year, 1,300 carers left the system.
Under this government, foster carers have been leaving in droves.
The government's allocated $15 million for 4 years, but the opposition says that should go towards more departmental staff.
What we need to do, and I've said it time and time and again, we need to put frontline services in there to support these families who are in need.
A recent Foster Care Queensland survey found there were various reasons why carers left, from difficulties in financial support, but also a lack of communication with the department and not enough consultation prior to the foster child's placement. Still, foster groups say the new approach is a valuable incentive.
It's tough. There's nobody saying that looking after children who have been harmed through abuse and neglect is easy, because it isn't. It's a tough gig. And it's one that needs the total support of everybody around them.
The new measures will be in place by July. Josh Bavis, ABC News, Brisbane.